to methods snacks. Take 1 egg. Add your choice black pepper. Add chopped green chili onion. Take ghee or butter or cooking oil. Pour melt egg batter. 1 side cooking tea. Bread shallow fry. Bread fill with ready egg and cut your choice enjoy with tea. Delicious. Another egg simple break on ghee or butter or cooking oil. Bread fry and dish out egg with bread. Cut your choice. Enjoy with tea. Third method egg if don't use onion green chili. Then only use salt black pepper and melt well use cooking oil or butter or ghee. Pour egg batter on it low flame cook both side and egg ready. This is also easy tasty. Cut your choice bread fill with egg enjoy with mug of tea.